Why does your scanner show the P205B engine code? What does it mean? P205B is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant tank temperature sensor A, circuit range or performance. It indicates that the PCM has detected an abnormal degree of voltage in the reductant tank temperature sensor circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty reductant tank temperature sensor. Wiring issues. Poor connections. Low fluid level. Contaminated fluid. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mercedes, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.